Students, let us see next type of representation of statistical data, that is pie diagram. So this figure you have seen in geography. The given statistical data we have to represent in circle. So for that, the circle we have to divide it into small sectors, and to draw these sectors we require this central angle. So we have formula to calculate this central angle. The measure of central angle of sector theta is equal to number of scores in the components divided by total number of scores into 360. So let us see one example. Solve example 2. The following table shows the daily supply of electricity to different places in a town. Show the information by a pie diagram. So places are given: factories, houses, roads, shops, offices and others. Supply of electricity in 1000 units given: 24, 14, 7, 5, 6, 4. So we have to represent this data using pie diagram. Okay. So here for that we require this central angle. So let us prepare the table. We have to prepare table containing 3 columns. First column is supply of electricity, which is given in the question. Factories, houses, roads, shops, offices and others. Then unit is given. Second column is unit which is given in the question: 24, 14, 7, 5, 6, 4. Okay. And we have to prepare this third column, that is measure of central angle. So these are the components. So first we have to add these components: 24 plus 14 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. This total is 60. So total number of component is 60. Now let us find central angle for each places. Factories, the unit is 24 and the total component is 60. So 24 upon 60 into 360. Why we took 360? Because the measure of full circle is 360. So into 360. Now let us see how to simplify this. This 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36, and 24 into 6 we will get 144. Second component, houses. It has 14 units. So 14 upon 60. 14 upon 60 into 360. See student, you can see that in each calculation denominator is 60 into 360. So this simplification is common for each component. So 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and 14 into 6, 84 degree. Third component, roads. It has 7 units. So 7 upon 60 into 360. So 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42 degree. Next, shops. Unit 5. 5 upon 60 into 360. 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30 degree. Next, offices. 6 units. So 6 upon 60 into 360. 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. And 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36 degree. Next 4. So 4 upon 60 into 360. 0 cancel. 6 1 are 6. 6 6 are 36. 4 6 are 24 degree. Okay, so this way we calculated measure of central angle for each component. If you add these angles, the addition must be 360 degree. Then your calculation is correct. Now this information we have to show in circle. Okay, so to draw this pie chart, we required pencil, scale, protractor and compass. So using this we will draw pie diagram. So here we have to take first one center, then we have to take convenient radius in compass and draw circle. Okay, then we have to draw one radius here. Now we have to take protractor. The center of this protractor you have to coincide on the center of this circle, and this line you have to coincide on this radius. This way you have to keep protractor. Now first angle for the factories is 144 degree. So from this side you have to start measuring 10, 20, 30 like this. 140 and we want 144. So after 140 you have to take fourth line. And then you have to draw this second radius. Okay. Then here write the measure of central angle 144 degree. Now this central angle represent for factories. So this way we drawn one sector to represent the data, that unit used by factories. Okay. Now we have to draw second angle. To draw second angle, we have to keep this protractor on this new radius, like this way. Now next central angle is 84 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. After 80, fourth line. Then draw this new radius. Right here central angle 84 degree. And this central angle 84 degree is for what? Houses. Okay. Now this is our new radius. Now we have to keep the protractor on this new radius. Next central angle is 42 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40. After 40, second line. degree for roads. Now this is new radius. So keep the protractor on this new radius. like this way. Next central angle is 30 degree. 10, 20, 30. This is for shops. Now this is new radius. Keep the protector on this radius like this way. See, every time you have to coincide this center with the center of circle, and this line you have to coincide on the radius. Next angle is 36 degree. 10, 20, 30. This is 35 and then 36. This is for offices. Now the remaining this last sector is 24 degree, which is for others. So this way we represented the given data in circle. The circle is divided into small sectors for each component. So this type of representation is called as pie diagram. Followed? Now student, here on page number 163 one activity is given. So let us solve this activity. Maybe this type of question comes in exam. Here the activity is the monthly expenditure of a family on different items is shown in the following table. Calculate the related central angles and draw a pie chart. Okay. Now here different items given: food, clothing, house rent, education, expenditure. Percentage of expenditure is given: 40, 20, 15, 25. Percentage, that means the total must be equal to 100. Now we have to calculate measure of central angle. So formula for central angle is the value of component divided by total value of component into 360. So for food, 40 upon 100 into 360. So here this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. We have 36 into 4. So we have to multiply this. So 36 into 4 we will get 144. 144 degree. Now next we have to complete these boxes. For clothing, percentage is 20. So here we will write fraction 20 upon 100 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 36 into 2. 36 2 is 72 degree. Next, house rent 15%. So fraction is 15 upon 100 into 360. So this 0 get cancelled. Now it is not, this 0 is not cancelled. So here 15 and 10 we will divide by 2. Sorry, 15 and 10 we will divide by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 18s are 36. And then 3 into 18 we will get 54 degree. Next, 20, education 20%. So 20 upon 100 into 360, that we already calculated here also. So the answer is 72 degree. Next, percentage 5%. So 5 upon 100 into 360 degree. So 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 18s are 16. So 18 1 to 1 18. So this way we calculated measure of central angle. Add this addition must be 360 degree. And like this way you have to represent it in circle. Okay, followed.